Sis, let me ask you, why don't you have a thumbnail on your videos?
I love you like la 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 la.
But you know what? I'm here for you. You are here for me. So we are here to help each other, right? Yes. So I have been looking for... Wait. Guys, how are you doing? Like, how are you doing? Just like drop a comment and tell me how are you. Cause me, I'm happy. I'm okay. I feel cute. Yeah. Just drop down a comment below and tell me how you doing. How are you in this lockdown? Whew. Okay, let's get to it. Like, I'm just here to tell you or to share this information on how you can download or what to use for your thumbnails. So the first app, the way I'm so prepared, guys, for you. So the first app that you can use and that I use is Canva. Canva is just a beautiful app where you can do your thumbnails, and you can also use it for free. Most people, they think that Canva is a paid version. For me, I'm not paying for it because you can use some parts of Canva for free, and other things are you need to pay for them. But like most of the things they are free, so you can just download the app. But like what I prefer is that like you can just use your Chrome or your Google to sign into Canva's website, and then you start using the app for free. But like other things or other materials or other resources of Canva, they are paid. Yeah. And guys, remember, your thumbnail, it needs to have a picture and it need to have like text on it. So the second app that I know of is PicMonkey. I've seen a lot of YouTubers using PicMonkey. PicMonkey is also a good app that you can use. You can also like sign in on your Google and use it from there. That's what I prefer because my phone, it's like it doesn't has a lot of space, so I usually use my laptop to sign in on those apps on Google, and then I just work from there. It's much easier that way. So the third app that I recommend is Snapspeed, right? You can also use Snapspeed to do your thumbnails, right? And another thing that you can use is InShot, right? InShot, it also has an app. Guys, remember, your thumbnails, they can be professional, they can be fun, like your thumbnails, they need to be enhancing. So another app that I didn't mention is Fontor. It's Fotor. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm thinking that maybe it's Photo or Fontor, but I doubt it's Fontor. Yeah, you can also use that app. It's also free to use, so you can use it for your thumbnails. The best thing to do is to on your thumbnails is to have tags that like are SEOs, or your tags that like are keywords. I hope this was very informational, right?